Good morning, all. As promised, every Sunday, free sessions of Vedic Max, and I find 11 members. As I told you, 2 minutes, yes, door windows will be closed, no more entry. So we'll have 11 members who will be listening this session. We'll follow the same pattern as always we do. It will be one-way information as we have different age group, probably school and adults, right? So what we'll do is, first part I'll explain you. You can make a note of things. And second part will clear your doubts if you have any, if any questions. So I'll first complete this whole thing, then I'll start the question answers approach. No, I don't want anything to be mentioned in chat in between also. As you're typing and chatting that what your questions, make a note of that questions. We'll discuss that. So it will be like, first I'll tell you the concept in 20 minutes, and then I'll repeat it. If anyone has a doubt, I'll explain it in depth there. Depth in the sense, I'll just re-explain with a different example. That's how it will be. And that's a good process because we have different mindset. Even in students, I know one, right, Anant, he's in 6th. And I know one more student, Vishwam, he's in 9th. So we have different age group, right? So let's not give pause in between by question. Someone's question may be considered as the answer by someone else. That's the biggest problem faced in online sessions. So let's have a one-to-one, me to all of you, then we'll have question sessions. So quickly I'll start sharing. Are you excited? I am. Whenever you teach Vedic Max, n number of times, the energy will be coming out of you. It's clear on the chart, right? It's visible to all. If any not visible, just type in chat box no. Great. All yeses. Yes. Okay, great. Today we'll be learning magic of one, right? There's a method called Jazz method and Jima method, right? So now all of us, we will be learning single digit into single digit into 2 digits, right? So let's cut this. We'll keep it here so that you'll have more clarity. Single digit into single digit, single into 2 digit, and 2 digits into 2 digit, right? More than that you want to learn? Join my class. Yeah, connect me personally. Okay, now as you all know, 8 ones are 8. So what is the rule? Jazz method says, right, when a number, any number is divided by 1, the output is 1. No, the output is the same number. Whenever any number is divided, why I'm coming into division? I'm still in the previous session, 9:30 session, division class. So I'm sorry. 8 multiplied by 1, output will be 8, right? So single digit multiplied by single digit 1, output will be always the same number which is multiplied by single digit, right? So other way in mathematical terms, if you want to say, multiplicand into multiplier is equal to the product. Here, because multiplier is single digit 1, product will be same as multiplicand, right? So 8. Now this one you see, same formula, little twist. As 1 is used twice, right, in this number, that is 8 into 11. So when do multiply, it's magic of 1. So only with 1, multiply number with 1, right? When you multiply any number with 1, same number is the answer. But as 2 ones are there in 11, so the same answer should be written twice. 8. One more time. Now 11 into 111, that is 111. What is our formula? We know 1 into 1. Let's divide it in 2 parts. 7 into 1, 7 is the answer. As there are 3 times 1 is used, so the output will also have 3 sevens. So write 2 more sevens. This is your answer. Is it not simple? If yes, feel great for yourself. Now 11 ones 11 we know. But what is the rule? When 1 is multiplied by 1, the product is 1 that I have written. As multiplier, multiplier has 2 ones in 11, you have 2 ones. So answer should also be 2. That's the rule. Oh. Now, little careful we have to be, right? Little careful we have to be. First, I'll do this simple one. 22 into 11 is equal to, what is our formula? Our formula is simple. When 1 is multiplied with any number, write the same number as, right? Right. Then what next? So the same formula cannot be used. So GMA method has to be used now. What is that GMA method? GMA method says you have to multiply only once. So 2 and 2. This is how you have to write first part of the answer, right? Which is 2 space 2. 2, please don't get confused. What is the basic rule? Whenever number is multiplied by 1, answer should be same number. But as this 2 11s, right? As there is 2 11s and it is 2 digit into 2 digit, what we need to do is we need to first write it, create a space in between and fill this space. How to fill this space? So whatever answer you have received, 2 should be 2 plus 2. 2 should, 2 plus, man. 2 plus 2. We should add. What we need to add? The available, I'll highlight it. 2 plus 2 is 4. Please check the answer. Is it 244? Right? 20 tens are 220, right? Right? So, okay, to understand this, right? 20 plus 242 is the right answer. For this, what is the method? Same GMA method. First, single one and two digit number. Write the 2-digit number with a gap. Now, next step is add the answer 2 digits which you got as an answer and write that in between. Now you see there's a tricky question. You got 2 digits. What is the rule of 2 digits? When you have 2 digits, you carry forward 1. So 8 plus 1. So it becomes 8 becomes 9, 6, 8. Here you add 6 and there is a carried to this. So you write it as 9. First we'll write this in bracket, right? Bracket to show that there is a carried. To show that there is a carried one. Why the system is operating? 8 space 8. You see? 8 space 8. When you add 16 into 6 and carried 1, this 8 becomes 9. This will be your answer. This GMA method simple with there is no without carried, without carry forward, right? Here you have to carry forward 1, right? Now, as to understand this, one more simple method is, do you know what is 10 into 1? Do you know what is 10 into 1? It's 10, as you know. What is the rule? When one number is multiplied with the same number, it should be this, right? Now, let's take 2-digit 10 into 11. Can anyone give a quick answer? Yes, yes, yes. Great. Thank you. Great. Great. Right? What is the rule? But we'll not write the answer first. We are practicing it. For next 6 months, just follow these steps. Right? In one day, we cannot become master. To be a student, right? To be a sixth class student, Anand, or ninth class student, right? Well, Vishwam, we need to complete the full year, right? Same way, to learn anything, when you learn anything new, right? Each and everything about it, make it a habit. Once you make a habit for next 2 to 3 months, that 3 months, that means 90 days. Then after that, with 10 into 11, 110, you'll say, right? But then first make a habit. Today, if you don't make a habit of doing step by step, tomorrow you may forget. If you want to remember this for lifelong, follow minimum 90 days formula. That is everything. You write it for 90 days, step by step, and you'll always memorize lifelong, right? So the rule is 1 into 10, write to 10, the 1 space 0. What is the next step? Next step is whatever the answer is, add that. So the result is again 1. So fit in between, fit, okay, insert. I'll 1 second. Insert picture. Oh, not picture. I'm sorry. Shape I need. Sir is making mistake. Why, sir? This one. This one goes in this play. And the answer for this will be ANS. Answer will be 110. I need to adjust this, right? Okay, answer will be 110. Shall we do one more sum or shall we stop? Shall we do 3-digit with 3-digit? Will it be the same? Will it be same? No, it will not be same. There's some twist. To know more about that, you need to join my course. If I teach you everything here, then how can I earn? As I'm a trainer, I have a class sessions. I request you all, if you're interested to join, please join. The cost for this last time course fee, which is 2,500, is Vedic Max course fee. Only 1,100 I'm charging for the last time. The batch will start soon. You need to send a personal message and you need to pay 1,100 through the GPay, the same phone number of mine. Yeah, this is all about today's session and we will take questions. Thank you. Yeah, who's there?